Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add Odoo website in Google Search Console. Okay, so first thing that you are going to do is to go to Google Search Console and then log into your account. So once you're here, you just have to add a new property. So tap on this option and then tap on the add property option. Okay, and then you have to choose the URL prefix. So this one, that's right. And then after that, you just have to enter your full website URL from Odoo. So open your Odoo and then copy your URL and go back here and then you just have to paste it right here. After that, tap on continue. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then Google will show you multiple methods. So the HTML tag verification. Okay, so here to verify, what you are going to do is to tap on this verify option or use the HTML tag. Okay, so for example, you would like to use the HTML tag. So you just have to copy this option. Okay, and then open your Odoo website. That's right. And then go to the configuration and then open your settings. And then here, what we are going to do is we are going to paste only the code, not the whole tag. So we are going to copy this one. And right here, using the search bar at the top, we have the search for SEO. That's right. And then this one right here. And then you have to paste here your code. So once you're here, do not forget to tap on the save option that you can see at the top left. So tap on the save option after that. So once you paste the code, go back to Google Search Console and then tap on the verify option. So just
And after a couple of seconds, you'd be able to see here now that your Odoo website has been added to Google Search Console. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.